What up, my people? It's your favorite boy, this guy. Welcome back again to my YouTube dance tutorial. Yeah. I see you guys enjoyed the first one I did. This one, right? This one right here. You guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much, okay? So that's the reason why I'm going to give you another one, okay? So today we're going to learn the dance called bunny dance. It's very simple. Don't be afraid. Okay? I'm gonna show you every, okay? Calm down, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. God damn! Oh, sun is sunny, man, but we gotta do this, okay, for my people. Okay, so let's hop right into it. Everybody start like this. As you can see, I'm mirroring you guys, okay? So my right is your right, my left is your left, okay? Are you ready? Let's give. Okay, so everybody are using your hip, okay? Here. Okay, so let's give. So we're going to hit it 2 times. 1, 2. Return it back again. Put this one at the back. Return it. Bam. Relax. Let's do it again. So let's move slowly, okay? 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Let me go over it again. So it's a 7 count movement, okay? I like to give my dancers count, okay? I'll give them numbers 1 to 7. So this one is 1 to 7. Do not mix it. Do not mix it with any other number. So let's get again. Remember, okay? So your right leg is going 1, 2, 3, 20 times 3. It's moving 3 times, okay? 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. Your left leg go to the back. On the third count, your left leg go like this. 4, 5, okay? Going back. 4, 5, 6, 7, okay? Yeah. Okay, guys, that will be now. So we're going to do it from the top. I'm going to go by sharply, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
me have a jelly for your belly, but me never want swelly. Yeah, they fuck too.
What I'm dancing.
I don't mind you, Delhi. Yeah, you like this. Fuck, that's cool. Get ready, pan your mask, get. Pan your mask, get. Don't stop. Say you love a fat cat. That's cool. Come back. Let me get deduction from you. Slow dance when you hear them play my tune. Hold on, let me get a baby from you.
5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. On the 7, then now okay, so this is the end of the video, okay? And do not forget, very important, make sure to comment the next dance you like this tutorial on. So remember, subscribe, like, follow, share, okay? Tell somebody. God, you know the vibe, man. You know the vibe. See you next time.
Swerve and a dip, girl, turn your body. Me never heard nobody, and girl, personally, you have the curve and assist. Pan if it's replay 6, come tear some of this. Yo, buddy, come bounce, pan body, take it.